In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. Start from your main workspace. If you're already inside the board, you can go back by clicking Main Workspace or your workspace name on the left sidebar. From the left sidebar, click the plus button, then click Dashboard. Click Create Dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, go to the top center and click on the default name. Type a new name for your dashboard and press Enter. Under the new dashboard name, click on the second button that says Connect Boards. This will let you pick the boards that will be connected to this new dashboard. Click Done after you pick your boards. Now you'll see an empty canvas. Click the Add Your First Widget button in the middle of the screen. A panel will appear on the right side with different widget options like chart, battery, numbers, and timeline. Click on a widget to add it to your dashboard. You can resize the widget by dragging its corners, and you can move it around by clicking and dragging it to a new position. To add more widgets, click Add Widget again and repeat the process. As your boards update, your dashboard will automatically reflect those changes in real time.